Hey everyone and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through creating a powerful lead magnet using a Mailchimp landing page. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful and effective landing page ready to capture new leads for your business or project. Whether you're brand new to Mailchimp or just looking for a refresher, this guide will give you the confidence to set up your first landing page with ease. So let's get right into it. First, let's head over to Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up and Mailchimp is pretty user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main control center for everything Mailchimp related. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you'll get the hang of it in no time. Next up, we need to find the campaigns section. Mailchimp groups most of its marketing content, emails, ads, landing pages under campaigns. So look for campaigns in the main menu on the left-hand side and give that a click. Here you'll see all your previous marketing efforts, but we're going to start something new. Now click on the Create button. It should be nice and visible, usually in the top right corner. Think of Create as the launchpad for anything new you want to build in Mailchimp. When you click it, a list of options will appear: email, ad, landing page, and more. From this list, select Landing Page. Landing pages are like digital storefronts. They're focused, direct, and they work wonders if you want to grow your mailing list or promote a specific product or freebie, in this case, your lead magnet. Let's give your new landing page a name. You might see a prompt to enter a name, type in Ice Breeze. You're not just naming it for the sake of it. These names help keep things organized behind the scenes, especially if you ever end up with multiple pages in your account. Moving right along, you'll be asked to choose a purpose or goal for the landing page. For this example, select Promote Products. Now, even if your lead magnet is a free guide or checklist, Promote Products gives you a good structure to highlight what you're offering and why someone should give you their email to get it. After that, let's get creative. You'll enter the landing page editor where you can update the details and design. This is your moment to make it pop. Swap in a clean, catchy headline, make sure it ties into your lead magnet, perhaps something like "Get your free Ice Breeze ebook," and include a short description that tells viewers what they're getting and how it benefits them. Don't forget an eye-catching image, maybe of a refreshing breeze or something cool to tie in with your theme. Make the sign-up form easy to find, guide your viewers' eyes towards the call to action button. Small tweaks in colors, fonts, and spacing can really elevate your page's look and feel, so take your time here. Remember, this part might take a few moments if you want it just right, and that's totally okay. Once it looks inviting and clearly communicates what you're offering, let's save our work by clicking Save and Close. Always make sure you save so you don't lose any of your hard work if you get distracted or need to step away for a second. Now for the grand finale, click Publish. Mailchimp will do its thing, and in just a few seconds your landing page will be live and ready to share. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, your first lead magnet landing page with Mailchimp is up and ready to go. If you need to tweak anything later, just come back and edit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions or ideas you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and best of luck growing your list.